Hello, today we're going to disassemble Toshiba satellite. The model is C660D. The problem with this laptop is that the fan is not spinning at all. When you press the power button, it shows a message that tells that the fan is not connected. The laptop is have a lot of dust in the fan, so probably the problem is that the dust is keeping the fan from spinning, so we have to disassemble it. Let's get started. The first thing, of course, we have to take down the battery. We'll remove the cover here for the hard drive and for the memory. Wow. You can see here, yeah, quite messy. We'll remove the hard drive. After that, we'll remove the optical drive. And now basically we have to remove all the screws on the back. There is a lot of broken plastic in the laptop, so probably I'll have to use a little hot glue to reassemble it after that. We'll see. All the screws are the same size, so you shouldn't be worried about making a mistake. There's something funny about this screw, probably it was used glue before. Let's try to remove it. Okay, now let's double check all the screws. We'll flip the laptop. Now we have to take the cover here for the keyboard. Now the keyboard is held by 4 screws, so you have to remove them. After that, just unlock and remove the keyboard. You can see even from here that the fan is quite dirty. Now we'll disconnect the touchpad cable. And the cable for the speakers. Like this. And the cable for the power button, I think that's one. Now we'll remove the screws here. Also they're the same size. I think there are 3 of them. Now we have to take the palm rest cover. Start from one of the sides. Since the laptop is quite bad, here should be very easy. Lift it gently. Like this. Just let me show you what is inside. I hope the camera can catch everything. It's quite messy. Always when you clean something, tighten the screws of the hinges, because with the time they are getting loose and this can cause you big problems. Yeah. You can see I'll clean after everything after I stop the video. We have a few broken plastics here, which I'll have to fix after that. Now we have to remove the board. It's held by one screw in here, and that's basically all. But first let's remove the fan to see is it spinning at all. You can see here everything is filled with dust. Wow! Look how thick it is. That's why the fan was not spinning. Also we have something inside. That's weird. Yeah, the fan is spinning, so let's continue. We'll remove the screw which is holding the board, and we have to disconnect the LCD cable. Now the only thing we gotta do, I think, is we have to lift the board. Lift it, turn it around, and gently disconnect the power cable like this. Yeah, we have to take the power jack with it. Yeah, like this. I'll clean all the mess in here after that. Now we have to remove the screws which are holding the CPU cooler. Like this. Now the only thing you gotta do, use a little alcohol to clean the old thermal paste, clean the cooler, apply just a little amount of new thermal paste on the CPU, and reassemble everything on the reverse. I have to make a few photos of the condition of the laptop for the customer, so I'll stop the video for now. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe if you do. Bye bye for now.